Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Dodge Durango. Stock number is A7750. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 19-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Durango is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Durango on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.